Hi! In front of me is REALME GT2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Privacy. Then select Permission Manager and pick one of your device's features, like Location. Then select one of your apps. I will go with Maps because it has a lot of options. I have to click on it over here and select one of those. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with Allow all the time. And then when I go back and swipe up, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. If you wish to though, you can always click on one of your apps over here and instead scroll all the way down and select See All Maps Permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!